Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Foxy Books and Planning, and this is my November sticker haul. I think this is going to be the only section because I only have one other order outstanding, and that order has not even shipped yet, and with the fact that the store that I ordered from is international, coupled with the Thanksgiving holiday, I doubt I'll get it by the end of the month. So this is my featured shop for the month. This is Pink Leaf Prints. And I found them through one of my suggestions on Instagram. They looked really cool. I ordered a kit and some icons, and I really need to get into this because this was the kit I had actually planned to use for this week, which is the week of the 18th. And I did order on the 1st of November, but she does have a little bit of a longer shipping time, so it didn't ship until Friday. But lucky for me, she lived close enough to where I live that it only took 2 days to ship. So let's get into it. All right, set that to the side. All right, so there's no invoice in here, which is fine. Plastic thing. All right, so first off, we have the little sampler that says thank you for your order. It's very holiday or fall themed with some muted orange, browns, taupes with a little bit of gingham as an accent. I actually really like this. I like the coffees, various things. I'm not sure about the nail polish, but I do like the other little items in this, and I'm sure I'll be able to get some good use out of it. So the first, I will save this guy for the end. So the first things are some icons. I got a couple sheets of pack your lunch icons, which are actually bigger than I thought they were going to be. So there is my nail for comparison. So they're about the size of my thumb, maybe a little bit bigger. I feel like these might be ones where it's like, they're really cute, but you might need to do them kind of like Sweet Kawaii Design does them, where you have both normal size and mini size, so that for those who have smaller planners or maybe don't want their icon to take up a good chunk of their box, minis would be better. And then I also got some sheets of takeout stickers, which I thought were really cute and great to mark when my significant other and I deviate from our meal plan and eat out, or when I eat out at work, and to kind of keep myself on track with that, because I allow myself one eat out meal of each meal, so one breakfast, one lunch, and one dinner a week. Sometimes that happens with the significant other, and sometimes it's at work. But so those are the two sets of icons. I bought a ton of the pack of lunch and a couple of sheets of the takeouts. And the next thing is the kit. This is her movie theater, movie life. I'll probably sarcastically tell myself what the name of this kit is down below. This is a full deluxe vertical kit with the double box add-on. Since I am going to see a movie this weekend as date night, I wanted to make sure I had this to kind of mark the occasion, since I don't go to the movies that often. And this is on matte paper. The icons are on glossy paper, which I'm sure you can see by the sheen. So the first page are the full boxes, which are fine. I wish there wasn't so much of the girl, because I'm not really a big fan of fashion girls, but I did like how the shop allowed you to pick the girl that most matches you. So you could do a variety of hair colors with a variety of skin tones. So I picked the one that looked most like me. And I do like this I speak fluent movie quotes, and then all the different kind of theater associated stuff. And then we have the heart checklist boxes, which are popcorn background, which are so cute. And I like the popcorn background because unless you know it's popcorn, it just looks like a kind of nice, neutrally, almost glittery background. All right, and then we have our functional page, which the color scheme for this kit is black, red, gray, and goldy taupey. So we have our weekend banner, some boxes, our habit trackers, our weekly ombre, which in this case looks like a popcorn bucket, our bill dues, and some 3-heart checklists. I'm not quite sure how I feel about the popcorn bucket design on focus. Are you focusing? Focus. There we go. But to me, the kind of the lines and the different gradients of the lines will makes it kind of hard to read the days, and then it might be difficult to read what I write unless I write with a really bold pen. All right. Then the next sheet is the icons, which there's an entire sheet of icons, and most of them are these script ones, which are fine. I like them. I don't use them as much as I do regular icons, but I do like the varieties and how some of these are normal clip arts and some of these are more original clip arts. So I definitely like those. And then the flags. Nice. And then we have headers and little things, and I actually love these little things. So normally in a kit, you get a variety of little things to so there's like, a lot of places will give you a full week of meals, but then you'll have like 2 packages and a couple of stars and a couple of hearts and maybe a dog and maybe a doctor or something like that. And this is 7 televisions, 7 meals, 7 works, and 7 hydrates. I love that. I wish more shops would do this kind of setup, because then I would get a lot more use out of the little things than I normally do. The way my kits work right now, I get almost no use out of the little things. I'm trying to make myself use them more, but it's hard for me to use them when I can do an icon. But doing this, I can guarantee myself that I'll at least use all of the meals, all of the works, and all of the hydrates, which leaves me with a lot less left over. Then we have the washi, which is 4 strips of washi. That's a lot of washi. So there's the red and white of the popcorn bucket, there's the popcorn itself, and then there's a gray glitter and a gold glitter. So you can stack it up to make it a really chunky bottom washi. And then there's also some red glitter for spacing. That's actually pretty nice, though. That is a lot of washi, which I can definitely use some of this, but I'm not sure how I'm going to use all of it. And I might actually need to cut the popcorn ones in half to make them usable. And then the final sheet has my date covers, some movie themed deco, some more flags, and then glitter boxes and a glitter movie marquee. So I'm interested to see how this kit works for me. As I said, this was the kit I was supposed to use for this week, and I haven't done my planner yet because I just ran out of time yesterday. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So you will be seeing the finished spread for this before this video goes up at the end of the month. And I will make sure to include a picture of it here so y'all can see what the final product looks like. And I'll give myself a couple of minutes to write some final thoughts after using the kit, how it worked with my pens, because I know with the matte, it's gonna present some issues with some of my pens. Hi everybody, well, Editing Fox here. So I realized as I was getting ready to export this video that I had meant to include a snapshot of the finished spread with this particular kit, the Movie Buff kit from Pink Leaf Prints, and some thoughts since I did use it immediately after I unboxed it, as you can see on the 18th of November. And I figured I would just do some thoughts here real quick with the image so you all can get an idea of what I thought about this, since I did not post this on Instagram like I had meant to. Basically what I thought was I did enjoy using the kit. I realized at the last moment that there weren't full heart checklists in the strip format, which I would have preferred, but I made the 3 checks work. I did get a lot of use out of the little things. My one problem was that because I use primarily fountain pens, the matte sticker paper is not the best for utilizing the particular sticker paper, or not the best on this particular sticker paper. It bleeds really badly, and with some of the smaller writing, it can become very difficult to read what you've written. Overall, I did enjoy using the kit. I didn't have a whole lot of leftovers, which made me happy. And I was able to structure the kit in such a way that I avoided using most of the fashion girls that I wasn't really excited about. All that being said, I probably would order from Pink Leaf Prints again. Probably not right now because we're going into Christmas, and as I've said in previous videos, all of my Christmas kits are spoken for already. In fact, I've already got kits speaking to next Christmas. And with that, we'll just get back to me talking about stuff. But with that, hopefully this will be the last bit. So thank you all for watching. Next month, the featured shop is going to be B&R Paper Co., which is a Portuguese shop. I have 2 kits coming from her, but like I said, they haven't shipped yet, so I doubt I'll get them by the end of this month. So she'll be the featured shop next month. With that, please remember, if you have any shops you want me to check out, if you're a sticker shop that would like me to review your stickers, give first impressions, I'm happy to. Just shoot me up down below about your shop, and I'm happy to buy some stuff from you to see how I like it. But other than that, I hope you liked this. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And I will see you all talk to you all in my next video. Bye.